Let's dive into some pregnancy massage that you can do on your own, and also diaphragm massage. It's not uncommon to get tension in these muscles right along the rib cage border that can cause some discomforts here that we can work on ourselves at home. So one you can do while you're standing, where you're just gonna take your fingers along midline where your xiphoid process is, and you're just gonna strip along these muscles. So you're gonna go along that rib cage border. You can lean over a little bit and just kind of wiggle into this space. Nice deep inhale. On the exhale, allow yourself to sink in to those muscles, coming all the way out to the side. But most people find the most tenderness right along this midline border of that rib cage. Now you can also be laying down. So I'm going to demonstrate on the ground, but this can be in bed or any position that you're laying down. It's always good when you're laying down to lay down to your side, drop your head, and then roll your back, just not to strain your abdominal wall too much. So if you're lying in bed at night, especially if you have heartburn, you can also yourself press midline where that xiphoid process is. Inhale, exhale, on the exhale, dig in, and then drive down into like the midline of your body. So like down and towards your stomach, and then down towards your toes on the exhale. So inhale. Now we're talking about going around the rib cage border. You can do it a couple ways, but you can take your fingers and try to grip underneath those ribs. Not everybody has as much flexibility as my rib cage. I'm hypermobile, but you can come under and still rock along that border with your fingers and use your inhale and exhale. So I'm going to inhale. On my exhale, I'm going to get in underneath those ribs a little bit more, impacting that tension in that diaphragm. The release there alone can often decrease a lot of the discomforts that people have along that border. You can also do a little bit of a turn where I'm going to grip, and then I'm going to turn away from the side that I'm working on.